How are you doing? Today I don't have a trick to show you, but this is kind of experiment. Just imagine this is cloud up sky, and there are two kinds of land. This one on the left, I put some curtain here, which is like soft land or land with grass to absorb the water. And this land just filled with concrete or something. So you see the difference. Okay, look. Imagine it rain coming and now rain coming down. Okay. Rain coming. Coming. Hey, rain coming. And you see the water in here different from the water in here. So without anything to absorb the water, it causes flood. And this one, the curtain absorbs water. We don't have any water flow on the surface. You see the difference? And this is why we have flooding when it rains. Okay, see ya.